Good morning, student. Actually, this is the overall slide of seventh lesson. In this slide, I mentioned the slide numbers 1, 2, like that. Okay. You know what is the purpose I mentioned over here? Because this is the method I was using for previous slides also. That is, this number will help you to identify where the answer for particular question is available. Okay. Because end of the slides, I mentioned the question answers and answer for particular questions is available in particular slide. Okay. For example, this is slide number 2. Maybe this is the answer for one question. Maybe meaning of international economics. So what is international economics? Example. For example, நான் சொல்றேன். So இது ஒரு questionக்கான answer. ஓகேங்களா? Like that. Okay. Okay. Question number 21. 2 mark questionல இருக்கு. Okay. இல்லைங்களா? Likewise, I mentioned the slide numbers. So this will help you to identify the answer where it is available for particular questions. So students, please go through the slides and write the question for answer for the questions. And even some of the student not taken your notebook was submitted. It is still on my table. Please come and collect your notebook, those are submitted, and write the others question and answer of the lessons. I hope I was completed 7 lesson from this video, but no students submit me the question and answer note for up to lesson 6th. Okay, that is not good because you know the purpose of the video classes. This is not regular class, something difficult to convey the message. I feel difficult to convey the message because if it is a regular class, I have chance to meet the students directly. But nowadays the situation is different. But cooperation between students and the teachers must needed to fulfill the teaching task. Okay, definitely there will be exam because you are all 12th standard student. Don't have any unnecessary imaginations as happened like 10th standard. Okay, nothing will happen. Definitely you're going to face a public examination. Maybe all the 12 lessons from the economic subject or any other subject. I don't know what is the status of the government and the mentality of the government, because you are next going to be face the higher studies. So people preparing for higher studies, they are not simple take any decisions. They will take some serious decision. So last time you don't blink. That's why many times I insist in my videos, students don't simply sit in home and are doing any activities with the cell phones and the laptops and the tabs. Parents arranging such kind of facilities for you, not for fun, and spend the time with all fun. Use the facilities arranged by your parent for your study purpose, and use the facilities for only study purpose. Okay, my dear student, don't blame your parents. Actually, you are going to be lose. Okay, parent at any cost. Dear students, I think this is 7th lesson I completed. I don't know how many of you completed up to 6th lesson. No one called me about doubts except 1 or 2 students. I don't know. Others are well understood about the lessons or concept. Are you simply sitting at home? I don't know. Please be use the teachers for clarifying doubt if you have. Otherwise, no problem. You call me at any time. Already I told you I may available online morning 8 o'clock to night 8 o'clock. Of course, some other student calling me over 9:30, even 10 o'clock. There is no problem. I am ready to answer at any time for your welfare. Good. But the question is how you are going to replace my this kind of tendency. Okay, my dear student, this is the slide. Especially I give full information about the question and answer, not like previous videos. I expecting all students must submit your notebook with completion of assignment. Assignment means already I told you that is if one lesson is over, you write the question and answer for the lesson and submit me in persons. Okay, a student, if you're not able to come by directly, you don't worry. You send the notebook through any agencies, maybe by your parent, by your relatives, anyone, because this is a crucial time and a very important time. Safety is very, very important. So unnecessary movement from home is avoidable. That's why I suggest you submit the notebook any means of transporting systems. Okay. If you are very neighbor to the school, good. You can be a walk. Don't take any vehicle without your parent permissions. Come by walk or use your bicycles. Travel very carefully and submit me the notebook and collect the notebook even the day itself or one day I will inform you that time you come and collect the notebooks. The thing is you must do the work regularly because education is the process of continuous. This is not any kind of physical work. This is something related to the mental, the psychology relationship. You must have a regular touch with the subject, even the teacher, or it is applicable to all the persons who are involving in the teaching process. Okay, my dear student, don't take anything simply. Nothing will have any easy. Okay, you must take effort and really work hard. That will help you to secure very good mark. Dear students, definitely you're going to face the public examination. So that's why we, the teacher and the management, work hard preparing slides and videos. Timingly, we reach through some devices, especially our school access number of techniques. That is, we already download one kind of app. You know very well. That is what? Okay, and also available in the websites. That is Snap app already you download, and the videos are available regularly on websites, school websites. Okay, so they are spending money. They are spending lot of money, but I don't know how many of you understand the effort put by your parent, teachers, and management. We three working for your well-being. Please, again, I insist and request to you to sit at the home, take the necessary and available devices for doing the regular activities of education. Okay, my dear students, we are working for student welfare. This is the video of preparing you for not just a time passing. If I have time to talking with you by direct, I may have a number of informations, useful information for your future as a teacher I have, but situation is not cooperating with us. Okay, but within this situation, how you're going to be use the informations from the teacher and the management and your well-wisher, and how you are going to be use this information for your well future. Okay, my dear students, carefully do the work and don't expecting anyone always insisting and inducing to you and stimulating to you. Try to always be self-starter and a self-thinker to do your regular activities for your well-being. No teacher and management, even parent expecting anything from you for us favor. We both working for your favor. That's why you must understand what are the activities going around you. Everything for your well-being. Nothing is there. We working for your well-being. Students, this is the time to show your strength. Okay, because every person must have a life. You also going to have a life. How you are going to be designing your life or planning your life. Planning must bottom to top or top to bottom. The concept and the component of your planning is from is must from top to bottom. You must to know where you are traveling. You must to know where the turning points are there in your life. Okay, my dear student, this is here some of a disaster time. Of course, you may set this is a disaster time. Do not set a critical situation, a very dangerous situation. There is threatening over our life, especially hygienic and healthy, no meaning in wealthy. Okay, that's why safety is very important as well as future is also important. We are all now requested by or instructed by the government and other agencies because all have future. Don't last your future. Future in the sense, now I never mentioned the day that we are going to be passing in our life. That is, it should be very balanced with your social value. Of course, each individual will respected by the society. Of course, that is very good life, very good comfortable life. But if you are not able to a person to secure that kind of social value, and there is no meaning to passing the day or having the futures. Dear student, I have a chance to talking with you now through this kind of devices. Please be listen and use my words and mark my words. Definitely, those who are putting effort for preparing roots for their future, definitely they will success in their life. And those who are not, sorry, I don't want to name the words because I pray and I believe my students all are going to have a very good future with the social value. One thing I want to discuss, my dear students, by nature, no country will attain self-sufficient. So nature already teaches that is, you must depend others. Even though if you are a rich person, you must depend others for fulfilling a small kind of needs. So richness and poorness is not man-made, is by nature. And also nature give or offer time to modifying your situations, uplifting your situations, way of teaching or education, training, opportunities, effort, sacrifice. Okay, these are the things we needed to know the meaning. The person who is sacrificing his leisure time during young, definitely is going to be have very good life in young old. The person who is enjoying that time in more leisure time in young age, definitely they will face a problem in his old age, even though he possess wealth was earned by our their parents and family members. Okay, because knowledge is a weapon to handle the resource you having or you're going to be having. So education and the wisdom of the knowledge is make a person in a perfect manner, like a sculpture or a stone, a simple stone, effort given by the laborer is become a very good statues. Sometimes it was, it is standing over the crowd or in a temple or on the roadsides, but they may be respected by those who believe that. Likewise, you're also having very good knowledge. With the help of your knowledge, make your life in a what? Useful manner, an acceptable manner. Don't think everything easy. What is today's nature? What is today's nature? Tomorrow they may be lost their value. You understand, my student? What is today is nature or real. Tomorrow it may be what? Lost its value. So become an incident. So it future is uncertainty. Future is uncertainty. It may happen, but something will happen. Whether that may be going to be help you or killing you depends upon your attitude and perspective to handling the situations. So, knowledge is the powerful weapon to avoid, to accept good things and bad things, to be a balanced person. If you want to be a balanced person, you must to know where the things are good and where the things are bad, where we needed to stand and where we needed to sit, and where we needed to ask question why, where we needed to accept okay. Dear students, lecturing is not my business. Communicating is my opportunity. Of course, now I am communicating the message what I was collect from my teachers, the great persons who molded me to become a teacher. Of course, I was crossed a legend, a person really, of course, we are knowledgeable, a tremendous persons. I was crossed over my colleges and my careers. Okay, I get the number of informations when I was student. Now I just communicating. I want to communicating the same to you or to my student to become a at least able person to access in the society, because society is a multi-dimensional area. Situation may be happened sometime very favorable to you, many time not. You so think. That's why, my dear student, be careful while you are stepping one step forward or stepping forward. Okay, but you must stepping forward. You must keep it in mind. You always step into forward, especially economic student, a multiple dimensional knowledgeable students of my dear economic students. You feel free to access the society because we learning about the society and its activities. Of course, if you want to be a rational or a complete sensible person, there is only one book is available in your hand. That is the economics book. If you are properly understanding the concept and the way of the concept where they are going to be focused, then you may able to access over the world freely without any what problems. You feel free. Economic students have a multiple knowledge. They may know the way to identify the situations and handling the situation existing over. Good, dear students, many things I want to discuss with you. Because of the time constraint, I may curb on stick on some messages, and I'm very happy to feel. I feel very happy to sharing this message, and thanks to God giving such kind of opportunities. Okay, in this previous slides, I show the slides of the whole lessons, and this is the exercise part, chapter 7, multiple choice questions. I give answer for the each question highlighted by red line, that is red ink. So you may copy that answer for this 20 questions. I hope you understand, my dear student, what you are did last year. That is, you must have two notebook for a subject. Maybe for our economic subject, you must have two notebook. One 80-page ruled notebook you must have,